Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check out online. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So the first thing first, you have to simply go ahead, open up your app, and you're gonna simply sign in. Right afterwards, from the home section, go ahead, choose the product and then add it to your cart. Once you add it to your cart, go ahead, tap on the cart icon. Then from over here, you're going to tap on this option of continue to checkout. From the checkout, you're simply going to go ahead, add in your address. Make sure to add in your full name, your number, your zip code and postal code, everything. And then you're going to select your payment method. Now you can simply accept a variety of payment methods, including debit and credit cards, gift cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal and Klarna, and the payment options available to you will depend on your location device simply and whether you're shopping on Nike.com, in the app, or in the website official. Once you're done doing that, if you're picking up your order at a Nike store, you can simply select pickup as your delivery method. If you're choosing a store near you, simply browse by category or shop by item to see which store have your item available for pickup. If you're if you're simply choosing it to be delivered, add in your address as I have told you, confirm it, and you're good to go. Then once you're done, simply review your order and then tap on confirm, and that is it. That's how you can simply check out. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.